Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Near Protocol and what am I expecting from this project in 2025. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. So Near Protocol is the #1 AI project in the space at the moment. If you go to the AI category on CoinMarketCap, this will be the #1 project based on its market cap, which at the moment of me recording this video, the market cap is sitting at $5.57 billion. So it is a high cap altcoin, and it is a very safe investment because it is a high cap altcoin. With that being said, of course, I'm not expecting this to do 100x like some other low cap projects. So this is a safe investment, and this is a project that you can buy and be sure that when you wake up tomorrow, it's not going to be rug pulled or anything like that. And I'm pretty sure this is going to stay for the next bull market at the very least. But of course, things can change in a split second in the crypto space. So never invest money you cannot afford to lose. So starting off with the vesting schedule. In March, it's actually going to mark the end of our, actually not March, it's going to be May. So May 2025, specifically on May 4th, that will mark the last unlock of this vesting schedule that we have. So we have one on the 4th of every single month. We have one in February, March, April, and May. Last 4 unlocks. After that, we won't have any selling pressure from these vesting unlocks. And of course, no one knows if all of the tokens that are unlocked are being sold. But obviously, early investors tend to take profits when the price moves up. Like the price of Near Protocol, for example, it has moved up quite a lot. And if we go to the fundraising section, they've actually raised a lot of money here, like a lot. Look at these, $350 million, $150 million. And this is not available from Dragonfly Capital. 10 million, 16 million, 13 million. So this is a lot of money, and this is a big project. They're not some up-and-coming project, which they were back in 2022. Now they're established, and this is a brand name. And they fully diverged to AI. Obviously, with the AI narrative taking over crypto, it makes sense for projects to try to ride the hype wave, which I completely understand. And 95% of the total supply is out in circulation. That's another good thing about this project, is that almost the entire supply is out in circulation. So that's really good. So what are my expectations? Let's go to the price action chart. This is the weekly. And before we continue with the video, I want to give a quick shout out to my Patreon. If you're interested in getting more exclusive content, you want to support me as a creator, and you like what you're seeing here on YouTube and you want more, feel free to check out the Patreon. That's definitely a place for you. There's a 7-day free trial, which means you can get access to all of my content since the inception of the page. So that means you get podcasts, low cap gems, technical analysis, project reviews, and a whole bunch of other stuff. We try to do posts there on a daily basis. We cover airdrops and a lot of stuff that we don't really cover on YouTube because we don't have as much time. And of course, because patrons get more stuff and more content. And if you're interested in that, the link is down below in the description. Thank you all. Let's continue on with the video. And I apologize for all the drawings, but trust me, it's not that hard. I can actually remove the smaller one here, the smaller Fibbonacci retracement, but this is the larger one. And we currently have a Fibbonacci from the bear market bottom in October 2023 to the all-time high from January 2022. And the 1.272 target is going to be our bull market target for Near Protocol. That is at $44.58. And some people like to give higher predictions. I try to be conservative. this is going to be around a 10x from where we are at the moment. If you were buying in, let's say at $8, obviously that's not going to be a 10x, but from $4.71, if you're getting into Near Protocol, I think it's possible to get a 10x on this by the time we get to the peak of the bull market. Now, that doesn't mean you have to be taking profits only when it gets to $44. It's always smart to take profits as you're going up. Now, here on this channel, we were getting into Near Protocol all the way back down here during the bear market. My current average is around $1.60. I've been staking throughout the bear market, and I'm staking throughout the bull market because the unstaking period for Near Protocol is only 2 days. It's going to be very easy to get rid of the tokens. I just unstake, and in the next 48 hours, I have access to my coins. Now we have this massive descending yellow resistance trend line, and that is going to be a massive level for us to break through. We had a bit of a fake out in November, December 2024, but that wasn't a proper breakout. As you can see, even though we had some volume coming in, this wasn't a proper breakout. So this time around, we want to see a strong breakout, and we need to get to $10.65, which is going to be our initial target out of this trend line. And we need to be breaking the local top from March 2024. So those are a few levels you can start taking profits at. And you can also take a look at this price here, $13.15. This is the 1.618 on the smaller fib. And the smaller fib is based on this local top from March 2024 and the local bottom from November 2024. So once you break past the March local top, you're looking at $13.06. From where we are at the moment, that is going to be a little more than a 3x. Actually, no, not a 3x, a little more than 150%, which is so 180%, almost a 3x there. So my prediction for Near Protocol is that we're definitely getting to $30. I think $30 is going to be a very doable price. I think Near Protocol is going to be one of the few projects that actually break past their previous all-time high, because 90% of the projects don't go past their all-time high in their second bull market, guys. That's very important to understand. And Near Protocol essentially got listed during the bull market. So it went through this massive pump here, and then we crashed down 95% or so. So $44 is going to be my final target, but I would say take profits at $13, take profits at the previous all-time high, because we could get a massive rejection from there. Take profits at $25, at $28, $30, and of course your last target would be $44. If we take a look at the market cap of Near Protocol at that time, what would it be if we got to $44? So that would be a $51.7 billion market cap, and that would be an 830% move to the upside, which is a little more than a 9x. And that's $44. So close to a 10x essentially. That's my prediction for Near Protocol, and I think this is more or less conservative. It might be a little bit bullish, but I try to stay as conservative as possible. But Near Protocol being one of the top layer ones, being in the AI niche, I think this could get to a $45 to $50 billion market cap easily. Some people are expecting $100, $200. I'm not that bullish, but like I said, that doesn't mean you have to be holding your entire bag until you get to $44. Start taking profits as you're going up. Now, if you want to take a look at my exit strategy for Near Protocol, make sure to check out my Patreon. The link is going to be down below in the description. But I want to hear your thoughts on the price action chart, on your targets, on your average buy-in price, and essentially your exit strategy. How are you planning to sell? Is it going to be in a few different sell orders, or is it going to be 100% at one specific price? Let me know. I'm interested to hear your thoughts and ideas. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.